In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluids Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. And to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. You can do it before or after tapping on Consent in the pop-up. Now select those three lines at the bottom right corner. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes in Use App Settings pop-up. If you wish to apply it right away, tap on Set Wallpaper. If you want to make some changes, click on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you want to. You can even select presets at the top on the left. Click on the best option for you and tap on Yes. Then manage all of those options for chosen preset. When you finished, go back, click on Set Wallpaper and tap on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen to apply it. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!